Colourpop sent me the Toy Story collection in PR, and I wanted to share it with you today. I am pretty excited. It's really cute. The eyeshadow palette, oh my gosh, I'm very excited to use this. So I have tried one of the lip glosses, but I haven't tried anything else. So it'll be some first impressions, but here's the palette. So you can get just the palette for $24. I'll link everything down below, but I'm going to show you the other stuff in the collection. We'll put some of it on my face and let's get into it. Okay, so this collection is out. Like I said, I will link it down below. I got it in PR from Colourpop. The palette is so cute. It's called The Toys Are Here. The artwork is just amazing. I actually really like this color story, and I think it fits the theme of the movie very, very well. And I do real simple eye looks nowadays, so whatever I'm going to do is going to be an easy everyday look for me. And there are 4 of the ultra glossy lips, and the packaging is just, look at these. They're so cute. I used one of them yesterday, and I think I used the one for Jessie. But yeah, the packaging, so adorable. So here are the lip glosses. Look at these little tubes. Now, they look kind of shimmery in the tube, but yesterday when I wore, like I said, yeah, I wore Jessie's, and it was not as shimmery on the lips as it looks in the tube. So I do like that. I don't like a gloss that's too shimmery, but these little packaging, I mean, look at this. So yeah, you've got the light pink one. You've got this one called Favorite Deputy. This is Woody's. And we've got Jessie's. This is the one I wore. I really like it. And then we have Buzz. Adorable. There is this sour candy lip mask. I haven't used this. I'm going to put some of this on. Why not? Looks cute. My lips have been really dry lately, so I'm trying to see if it tastes like anything. It doesn't really taste like sour candy, but I don't know. All right, so my lips are gonna be moisturized. Pretty cute. I have another Colourpop lip mask that I like, and I really like their lip scrubs actually. There are 3 of the Jelly Much eyeshadows, which I pretty much never use these, I'll admit. But there's like this white sparkly one, this purpley one, and the light pink. Ham it up. Okay, but this mascara, look at the packaging that the mascara comes in. Oh my gosh, are you seeing this? This is so cute. It's a green mascara. So I don't know. I haven't tried this. I actually don't think I've ever had a Colourpop mascara. This is called, yeah, Rory. And it's a green mascara. Maybe I'll put this on my lower lash line. I might do that. All right, let's do eyeshadow. And here's the palette. It's adorable. So I think I'm gonna keep it simple, guys. I am gonna combine Since 95 and Go Ham. Yeah, I can't. It's been 30 years since this movie came out. That's crazy. I was 10 years old when Toy Story came out. Really? I don't even remember. I know I like the movie though. I'm gonna combine those 2 shades. I already have on the Alter Ego eye primer, and this is what I do nowadays, guys. Really, really simple looks. Often just 1 or 2 eyeshadows all over the lid. I'm gonna go in with the Since 95 shade. Very easy eyeshadows. I don't do anything complicated. It's just, I don't know, hasn't been my thing lately. There is some shimmer in that lighter pink shade, but it's not too shimmery, and I kind of like that. I think this is a nice little baby pink look I'm doing here. And I said, this is my thing lately. Easy makeup. I'll do a little bit of liner with this shade called Infinity. It's just a dark brown. Nothing too crazy. This is pretty much my everyday look. So Just change up the shadows a little bit, but blend it out, and we're good. I'm gonna use my Hard Candy Primer. I do wish this collection had like blushes or lip liners because those are some of my favorite makeup products from Colourpop or any brand really. But that's okay. I have enough of those things. But I was kind of surprised they didn't have blushes. I feel like there would have been some wonderful blush shades like a nice baby pink or a peachy shade. I don't know. I just feel like they would have had a lot of options for blush. So that I think would have been a good addition to this collection. I'm not even going to do foundation today. I'm just going to do a little bit of my Natasha Denona concealer. Like I said, we're keeping this easy. This is not some over the top makeup look. Nobody's gonna be super impressed. It's not, we're not doing a full glam, just a little bit of some concealer and then powder. Where did I, okay. Looking for this. The Beauty Sponge. This is one, I don't even know. I've had this one, I've been using the same one for quite a while. It might be from Shein, I don't know. Works really well though, whatever it is. And it's lasted me for, I think I've been using the same one for like well over 6 months at this point. I don't know. All right, so we're doing like just barely any coverage here. Nothing over the top. I've actually been combining these powders, the Pat McGrath powder with this one from Colourpop, the No Filter. And on their own, neither of these work great on my under eyes, but I have discovered that if I combine a little bit of each, it actually works pretty well throughout the day to keep my concealer from creasing. So I'm like, might as well get use out of these because I haven't used either of these powders in quite a while. And I'm just going to do just a little bit of the Colourpop one all over. And then for bronzer, I've pulled this one out recently. This is from Kiko. This is the Create Your Balance bronzer shade 01 Sienna. I bought this at the Kiko Milano store in Milan when I went there 2 years ago. And I've been really enjoying this bronzer. So we're just gonna just do a little bit of bronzer. Again, this is not some revolutionary makeup look, but this has kind of been my go-to. And let's see, I do want to do some blush. I'm going to go with Milani Luminoso. Yes, this is Luminoso. This is the Luminoso. Nice, peachy, pretty simple, straightforward. I pulled this out. I thought this would be fun. Anybody remember the Mary Illuminizer? Yep. We're gonna use Mary Illuminizer. Why not? I'm feeling it. Let's go for it. I'm gonna use the dark brown shade that I used for eyeliner to do, fill in my brows actually. Why not? Whoops. And a little bit here underneath. I don't know what's going on there. I have my sunscreen is kind of poking out, which is fine. All right. All right, we filled in some brows. And then of course, gotta use my e.l.f. this thing, the Wow Brow. Been using this stuff for years. It's the best. Absolutely wonderful. I'm gonna use this shade Saddle Up just to blend this a bit. Lower lash. Okay. All right. And then I want to do, just gonna wipe this off on the back of my hand. I want to do the yellow inner corner. Why not? That is something that I have done lately is I want a bit more, but I'm doing a simple eye look. I go for something a bit more bold on the inner corner. Ooh, that looks really nice. Pink and yellow. Oh, this is really nice. A good spring look. Okay, I want to pick a lip liner. Oh Snap from Colourpop. I love the Colourpop lip liners. Yeah, I would have loved to have seen lip liners in this collection. That would have been great. I just left the lip mask on, by the way. I didn't like wipe it off or anything. Figure just keep the lips hydrated. All right, and then the lip glosses. I want to use the Bo Peep one, the light pink, since I've already tried Jessie's. So, okay. I've always liked the Colourpop lip glosses. I thought they're great. I like this color combo. So yeah, I did the Oh Snap lip liner and the Peep This gloss. I put the green mascara on my lower lash line. Can you see it? I only did one coat. I don't know. It's actually kind of cute. I mean, I can see it. It's pretty subtle, but again, I only did one coat. I feel like if you did more, you could get a pretty intense look with this. So overall, the look is nice. The eyeshadow palette, I mean, to me seems like the usual ColourPop formula. And I really like it. Let me just swatch some of the shimmers since I didn't use any of them. This shade called Rex Flex. Ooh, very pretty. And then the light blue looks really nice. That's Bo Peep. That looks pretty. A nice champagne called, what is it called? Roundup Gang. That's a nice everyday shade. And then this purple called Blast Off. Very sparkly. So the shimmers look really pretty. I didn't use any of them, but you know, they look nice. I rarely use shimmer shadows anymore though. I mean, I do sometimes, but not often. This is a go-to look for me, but the palette is pretty. I like it. It fits the theme and I don't know. I'm into it. I like the glosses a lot. I think that they're really nice. I enjoy the lip mask. My lips feel moisturized, so that's nice. Would have loved to see lip liners and or blushes because those are my favorite makeup products, so that would have been great. But yeah, I thought this was a fun collection. I wanted to do a look. Let us know what you think. I will link it down below. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.